Your story may not be interesting, but your storytelling has to be interesting. Oh, here is why some voices are very addictive and others are not. Ever listen to somebody talk and you could not stop listening to the person? That's because the person has understood the storytelling trick and hacks. So how to have an addictive audio is not by chance. It's by these three things. Number one, you need to have a clear storytelling. You need to be able to tell the story in such a way that the story naturally becomes interesting. Even if the story was not interesting before, you make it interesting. Have a very clear storytelling. Number two, you need to be able to swing between emotions, emotional variation. You need to be able to, move from one to the next. Very important for storytelling. You should get this thing into your head. Whenever you want to tell your stories of how you from Osogbo come Lagos, you should be able to make us go from happy, sad, happy, this, that. Depends on the story you are telling though. Next one, you need to be able to put curiosity gap. You need to leave your audience curious at some point. Don't just go wow, back to back. Give like pauses. 2 seconds, 1 second. Let the audience be able to think for a moment that what is happening here? Oh, what's going to happen next? Give curiosity gaps. Make sure you arrange your story in such a way that it makes your audience curious, wanting more. They will follow that story till the end. Your voice must be able to lead your listeners. Your voice must be able to take the people that your audience to somewhere that, is beautiful, or it depends on the story though. Don't just talk for talking's sake. You wonder why your story is not so interesting. It's because the storytelling has some little comma. So good if you have a good story, if you have an interesting story, congratulations. But if your story is not so interesting, use the storytelling hack to make sure that the story becomes interesting. Who wants a boring story? Nobody. We don't want a boring story. Yes, so my country people, this is now Audio Active Wave with Vinney Oxygen, and over here we praise laziness, audio content creation, and fixless content. Today, I don't tell you about storytelling hacks. Why voices, some are addictive and others are not. If you don't learn something for today's wave, drop the wave emoji in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe, and follow. I go see you for my next wave. Wave off.